Welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the install of our VW Transporter door seal. The doors on this vehicle close onto the metal of this vehicle with no bumper protector. Our bumper protector here can be installed to make the door close sound a lot better and less tinny. Start by cleaning this area, shown here, on the inside of the door to remove any contaminants before fitting our new seal. You need to cut our trim into two, one half for one side of the vehicle, one half for the other. You then want to heat the door where it is to be fitted if the weather is cold, and also heat the trim. Then remove the 3M tape back and fit the trim, as shown. When bending the trim, you may want to add a little extra heat with the heat gun, just to make it more malleable. Once you reach the end, just cut the trim to size. This completes the install. You can now close the door and have this rubber bumper protecting the door seal and stopping excess sound when closing the door. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can contact us on 01843 446643, or you can email us at sales@x8r.co.uk. Thank you.